Hey, are you thinking about moving to Wesley Chapel, Florida? If you're thinking about moving to Wesley Chapel, Florida, stick around, watch this video as we're going to highlight one of Wesley Chapel's most famous communities, and we're getting after it
right now.
If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to get those market updates on Wesley Chapel, Florida.
My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls, texts, emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Wesley Chapel, Florida.
So we're here at Watergrass community. We're going to showcase one of the most sought after communities in Wesley Chapel.
Correct.
It's a Crown development community that's very well known as well. And we're approximately 35 minutes to the airport, Tampa Airport, and we are about 30 minutes to downtown Tampa. We are about an hour from the beaches.
Yep.
And what else can we share?
A little over an hour and 20 to Disney, in case you are a fan of the Mickey Mouse. So getting back to Crown Development, they are known, I want to say Seven Oaks and the newer community Chapel Crossing. They're known throughout Wesley Chapel for just making a really
family
oriented,
type, outdoor,
correct.
I shouldn't say family, but outdoor type community.
Right, they encourage the outdoor life, enjoying
the jogging, the hiking trails.
Yeah,
if you notice, just about every one of the communities is going to have one side of the main road sidewalk a lot wider, so they encourage that biking and jogging and walking down in the afternoons.
They try to keep a lot of the community still in its natural state. I know that's kind of impossible when you're building a new master plan community, but you'll notice they try to keep up as much of the trees and just green spaces. So in here in Watergrass, we are currently at the main clubhouse for Watergrass, but throughout the community, they also have 14 different pocket parks. So for different sections, you'll have different parks. I want to say there is another pool up at
there is just
around the corner. Just around the corner. So they make it to where.
So I don't think they have like a huge type clubhouse amenity type center. They're going to have a couple of these smaller ones that are sufficient.
But this one happens to be the main one. Yeah. So this clubhouse behind us has a resort style pool. It has a splash zone for the kiddos, like a 0 entry level. They have a junior Olympic size pool. So if you have kids that are competitive swimmers, they've got the lanes here for that.
Basketball court, half court, tennis courts. So it's a really nice community. It's right across the street from the Epperson Lagoon community. Don't look now, but the famous lagoon community that's about 7.5 acres wide. So this community is very, very hot because some of the fees and things are a little bit different than Lagoon.
So the cool thing about Watergrass and also like Seven Oaks is that they have their own elementary in this school. So if you have kids that want to ride their bikes to school, you can feel pretty comfortable because the elementary is located right within inside the community.
It's kind of neat. If you drive by at pickup time or drop-off time, you'll see a row of golf carts.
Oh my gosh, like hundreds. Yeah. It is a
ton of golf carts, so it's kind of neat. They use that wide path that we're talking about. Some of them are street friendly, legal, and it's kind of neat.
Yeah, it
looks
out of
like that traffic lane, right?
You'll just see 100 to 200 rows of. 200. Yeah, there are. Have you ever been up here? Yeah. It's crazy because it makes you want to get a golf cart instead of being in a regular car. So that's the kind of community it is. It does have a CDD. It's going to be different in the different sections. Really, it's going to depend on that lot size and house size, but anywhere from about 1,800 to 25 is what I've seen in the past. HOA is super low. I've seen it just between $5 and $10 for the entire year. So HOA is practically non-existent, super low, but you will have that CDD in here for all the amenities.
It's got good access. It's got
new access.
Yeah, 2 main roads that it leads you to get different access to everywhere you're going to need to go for shopping. Actually, they're building a grocery store right outside
right
the
at the
entrance
front.
of the front of the community. There's a fire station in the community. There's, like you said, elementary school in the community.
And there's housing for all types, because you can get villas in here, you can get townhomes that they just broke ground, I want to say Meritage, right at the beginning of the community, and then you have single family homes.
And even the single family homes are going to be from all ranges.
So when they created Watergrass, there was 6 builders in here. So it's kind of nice because you don't have that same cookie cutter look on every street. They're going to have different pockets of different builders, so you're going to have lots of different styles and elevations to look at. So that's pretty cool. Right now, I think MI Homes might be the last builder left.
They're building in the
here.
back.
And I know right as of today, I don't think they have opened up their second phase. So there's still some building that you could do with them. And then also the townhomes just broke ground in the front of the community. So if you're looking to do a townhome, you can get in there as well in the low 300s.
And we're getting a lot of resales in this community as well. The community's about 8 years old or so. So it's that time frame that we're starting to see some turnover.
So we are going to check out 3 different homes in here. We're going to hit one that's in like the 490s, one at $699, and one at just over $1 million. And then we're also going to catch one of the townhomes when we head out. So
sounds great.
Let's get in the car and go check out those areas.
Let's do it.
Alrighty, and our first home stop here in the Watergrass community is going to be at this 4-bedroom home right behind me. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage, just over 1,900 square feet, and it's currently on the market today at $490,000. So let's go inside and see what a 4-bedroom, 2-bath has to offer. As you can see coming up, all the homes in this community do have brick pavered driveways, so that's a nice, beautiful addition. Coming into this home, you'll notice that there is wood tile throughout the main living areas. As soon as you come in to the left, we've got 2 bedrooms up front that do share a bathroom, and I was just informed it's to the right. So we've got a bathroom here between the 2 bedrooms with a shower tub combo. We have gorgeous quartz countertops and a dual vanity sink for each of these rooms to split. So the bedroom here up in the front, they've done a really pretty accent wall. We've got Berber carpet on the floors, and in all of these bedrooms, they've actually done custom closets. So those upgrades have already been done for you. Let's go check out bedroom number 2. Same size bedroom, and again with the custom closets. Nice drawers right there for your shirts and socks and things like that. So as we come back out to the main hallway, just about midpoint through the home, now on my left side, we do have the laundry room, which has a nice utility sink in there for soaking some baseball pants or football jerseys. We've got another bedroom right here, and with lots of storage in this closet. And coming back through, this is the main area of the home. Gorgeous quartz countertops, nice pendants in here, and you'll even see a beautiful chandelier right over that table. We've got wooden shelves in here in your pantry, both sides. Nice white shaker cabinets. Lots of natural light with these sliders in the rear. So you've got your kitchen open to your dining area and also open to your living room, so perfect for entertaining. Tucked back here on the left side, we are gonna have the master bedroom. This primary suite also has some woodwork done as an accent wall and gorgeous tile throughout the floors and walls in this walk-in shower. You have a private water closet over here and a nice huge closet, again with lots of areas for storage, drawers, and hanging. So this home was built in 2021, so it is only 2 years old. Again, currently on the market for $490,000. Let's go check out house number 2. So here in Watergrass at our second stop is a pretty large home. So if you are looking for bigger homes, smaller homes, again, villas and townhomes, you can get that in Watergrass. The home behind me is currently on the market at $699,000. It is a 5-bedroom house with 4.5 bathrooms. Again, a lot of bathrooms. Just under 3,500 square feet. So this home was built in 2022. It is only 1 year old, and again, currently on the market at $699,000. And here we are at the Estates in Watergrass. We are going to showcase the home behind us, which is currently on the market at $1.127, and it is a pretty large home. It has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. As you can see, it's got a 3-car garage, separate one on that side with 2 behind me, and it is just over 3,000 square feet. It's located on a nice little cul-de-sac, so super quiet. You're not gonna have a lot of cars driving into here. If you're walking Fido and kids on the bikes or skates, you're gonna feel pretty confident in here. So let's go check out what 1.1 has to offer. Nice, bright, and light, white everywhere. As you come into the home, you've got bedroom number 1 right here on the right side. Got nice tall 8-foot doors. This bedroom actually shares a Jack and Jill bathroom with bedroom number 2 just on the other side. So you've got quartz vanities with dual sinks. You've got a nice walk-in shower with some cool funky tile in there, give it a little pizzazz. And again, this shares with bedroom number 2. So coming back out to the main entrance of the home, you've got your living room right here that overlooks your kitchen, and we happen to miss the formal dining room, which is right there, right at the front of the house as well. Beautiful chandelier, nice and bright walls. And back here in the corner, you also have room for your breakfast table, which is a pretty large space, so you can use that as well as this enormous center island. You can see they've got 4 stools across the side, quartz countertops, nice gold hardware, gold faucet, and cabinets galore. I was checking these out, and you've got sliders, pull-outs, just a nice amount of storage. So let's go check out this side. So we've got another bedroom located on the left side of the house. Nice tall ceilings. We've got accordion doors in our closet, and it also has a bathroom just outside, which does open up on the other side, so it can be accessed by two sides. We've got over here tucked in this corner the utility room, which if you come in here, it is a huge utility room. You've got a utility sink and all these countertops for folding. Great area for storage. You can even put some more racks in there for detergent and clothes to hang. Let's go take a peek into the garage. If you remember, this is a 2-car garage on one side, and then we have this third car just off to the right. Got your air handler up in the ceiling, so you don't have to worry about hitting it, and then you've got your water heater tucked over in the corner. So coming back out to the center of the home, we're going to check out the bedroom here back in the corner. And here we have the primary suite, which again, if you remember, we were in this bathroom that does have the 2 openings on each side. So if we come on in here into the master, you can see that it is very spacious. You could probably fit 3 king beds in here. Primary ensuite. Again, I love all the funky tile that they've done in each of the bathrooms. We've got quartz countertops, gray shaker cabinets, super modern tub for soaking, and a beautiful shower. And a nice sized walk-in closet. And let's go check out the upstairs. So here upstairs we have the perfect bonus room, or if you have that one spoiled child that wants the entire top floor, they could have that as well, as this does have a full shower tub combo and also vanity sink, so definitely perfect for guests or just as a movie room. And just off of this bonus, there is a balcony that looks over the back of the home, which is located on a beautiful conservation lot overlooking a pond view and trees. So you know you're never gonna have that rear neighbor right behind you. So this is what you can get here in Watergrass if you're looking to spend $1.1 million. So our last stop in here is at the townhomes, which are at the very front entrance of Watergrass. They are built by Meritage Homes, and currently right now you could get a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome that's just under 1,600 square feet for $334,000. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom for $334,000. The little area up here for the townhomes is going to have their own community pool, so there is going to be a super low CDD of $660 a month with an HOA of that CDD is per year. And then the monthly HOA is going to be $236 per month.
So thanks again for joining us on our tour of homes in Watergrass in Wesley Chapel. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Also, if you would like to see anything else, please be sure to comment below. We'd love to fulfill your request.
Or you can pick up the phone and call us if there's any questions that you have.
Make sure you call us, text us, or send us an email. We'd love to see you around Wesley Chapel.